turmeric hidden in here. Oh, there's little tiny little earthworms. Hi everybody, it's Robbie from Southern California, and today I am finally doing my black turmeric harvest. I have no idea what's in here. I have not peeked, so I don't know what's in here, so your guess is as good as mine. There could be a ton, there could be nothing. This is the only black turmeric I've got. Look at this. This is how I labeled it. And it's all faded, but you know what? It lasted on a fork with a piece of this plastic tape I had. I have better ones this year to use. Now I'm gonna go ahead and all these leaves will be composted. I'm just gonna drop it in the bucket. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna make a mess. I'm gonna just tip it. It's gonna be the easiest way for me to see what is actually in here, because I have no idea. And then I'm gonna decide later, wow, what I'm gonna replant. Here, I don't know if I'm gonna use the same pot, but we're gonna separate it. If we get a whole bunch, I'm gonna separate a whole bunch out. Now I don't want that going down there. I should have blocked that. These little bulbous on the bottom, these are part of the root. So I did plant it back last year, or it was early this year. I did plant it back with the root, but I just want to get to the actual black turmeric. Oh, looky. Because it's going to start growing real soon. Our weather's going to warm up. And then we're going to have turmeric and all kinds of stuff growing again. I can't wait. It's already starting. Other things are growing. These aren't growing yet. So let's see. I see that there's quite a bit, but there's a lot of these. Now, I don't know if we can eat these. I know with the ginger, I eat the roots. Gary likes the roots. It's got a very mild flavor, but they don't get these balls on it. These won't grow. I actually did test them. You saw me plant them. They never grow. So this is where it's storing all its energy to come back. Let me decide if I'm going to pull. A lot of them are just coming loose. So let's see what we've got. So there's a crown. I might leave some of the balls on it. There's a crown. And grows different than ginger. You plant, oh, you can see the blue on this. There's another crown. Some of the crowns are quite small. I am definitely going to separate it. I'm going to have different pots this time. So there is your turmeric on the top. See, so we've got one there, and see it's sending out more on the bottom. That's also the part you would eat. It's elongated. And when it's elongated, that is the turmeric. The round balls are not, but that's got a crown on it. These do not. I will have to go through this very carefully. But I've been wanting to do this, and I figured I better take you with me and do this today. And I'll keep the soil. And what I'm going to do is freshen the soil up. I'll add some more potting soil, maybe some more soil from other totes I've got, so I can get some more matter in here. Good, fresh growing medium in here for the turmeric. Oh, there's little tiny little earthworms. I don't know if you remember, but I loaded this up with leaves and matter in here, and it's basically gone. The earthworms came in here, and the microbes, the great bacteria, the great fungi, and everything did its thing and created all new soil. All right, and again, I will make sure and go through this very carefully to make sure I don't have any turmeric left in here. And then I can just put it in to this mix I'm making as I'm transplanting different things. Isn't this amazing? This is black gold. You've made this. And so many of you have told me last year they set up a tote and they dumped it and found out, wow, everything is gone. Look, this is true soil like Mother Nature makes. Remember, dirt is something like crushed rocks, sand, something that came from something that was not alive. Soil is created by living matter, your plants. And that's what soil is. It's created from something that was once alive, your trees, your plants, your leaves. So this is beautiful. Soil is alive. Okay, so we've got all this, and you can see, I'll get the camera up close, you can see how beautiful blue. I was going to cut one. but how beautiful they are and how blue and bluish black they are inside. You got to see my harvest. I'm very excited about this. This is really good considering I started with nothing. Like I said, what I started with was that big. It was that big. That's all it was. It doesn't taste like orange turmeric. It's very, very strong. I would say it would be fantastic to chop up and put in, let's say, a salad or something as a spice. It's really spicy. It's crazy. I should have washed it. It's my soil. I know what's in there. So with that, you got to see my harvest. I'm very excited about this. This is really good considering I started with nothing. So with that, have a wonderful day. And don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye. Just so cool. As an end cap, I'll explain what we did back in June of 2019. I found somebody that was selling some black turmeric. The only reason I didn't recommend him is it took weeks for him to send it to me, and he never answered my email. So, well, anyways, we did get it. Just took a while. And what it was is there was a hand, I guess you call it a hand, a large piece with the roots and the little bulbous on it. But one little piece had come off during shipping, which is no big deal. You could just plant it. But Gary took the large piece, and I took the little tiny piece that was in the bag. He said I could have that one, and, well, I wanted to try it anyways. So I took the little tiny piece. It was the size of the maybe part of your pinky, not your whole pinky, part of your pinky. And the first year did really good, and then last year it doubled up in size. You saw me plant everything back, as I showed you earlier, last year. In 2020 in a pot, in a single pot, and they shot up right away within months. And that's what it looked like. You saw it on all the garden tours, just so full. And look how beautiful the leaves are. They're green and they have the black or brown type, purpley brown stripe going down. That's how you know that it is black turmeric, because you'll see it's a definite different leaf color. Same shape leaf, very green, very deep green with that beautiful stripe. And the yellow or orange turmeric, they tend to be solid. As you can see, it's a solid green leaf. Same size, but a solid green leaf. They also grow much faster and bigger. But that's it. That's how you know when your plant is growing, that all is going good. And you know what? I'm quite happy with the harvest I got this year. I think it's pretty good. There's like 8 crowns to it, and then all the bulbous, which I tested them last year. They don't grow the bulbous, but the long pieces underneath will. That's turmeric. So all in all, did quite well. It's going back in containers differently this year. Not 1 container, 3 containers. And I'm getting that in pots right away, and you'll get to see that very soon too. So with that, again, have a wonderful day. And don't forget to eat what you grow. I don't know if I'll be eating that much of this. It's kind of a novelty in a way. Bye-bye, everybody.